This video is going to be voice evacuation system test 4 with my Silent-Night SKE450 and my Silent-Night 5808 addressable control panel. Right here we have some different devices since last time. Right here we have an L series speaker strobe without the strobe hooked up. And in this test we're going to be unplugging the AC power cord and doing backup batteries on this, and this is always running in backup battery mode because I didn't want to attach an AC power cable to it. One quick thing before we start the test is this is the very last time you will see this panel activate. I'm getting rid of this panel a lot sooner than I expected, so this is the last video you're going to see this panel. I'm already going to do a video on how to ship a fire alarm panel, so that's where you're going to see this, but yeah, this is the last time you're going to see this panel on. Alright, so we can go ahead and unplug the power now. And the 5808 here is going to go into AC fault trouble, so we can just go ahead and acknowledge that. And that will stop beeping. And this is set to a different tone, so you'll hear that in a minute. Now to take a look at our two new devices, we have the pull station smoke and monitor module just like normal. We have our wall mount Gentex remote strobe set to 110 candela, and our RMS 1T right here, which this is the one that I restored. If you saw that unboxing I did a little while ago of that really dirty RMS 1T, this is it, and it turned out really well, so if you want to see that, go watch it, it's up there. Alright, so 3, 2, 1.
Attention, attention. The fire alarm system has been activated. Do not panic. Please exit the building in a calm, orderly manner. Look for the nearest exit sign and leave the building quickly and quietly. Remain outside the building until further notice.
And it's silenced. Alright, so now I have a can of smoke, and I'm going to go ahead and test the smoke detector. And there it goes.
Attention, attention. The fire alarm system has been activated. Do not panic. Please exit the building in a calm, orderly manner. Look for the nearest exit sign and leave the building quickly and quietly. Remain outside the building until further notice.
And now it's silenced. And you can hear the SKE450 click off. Now that we're done, we can go ahead and play the all clear message in the SKE450. You have to make sure that you leave the microphone cable in there, otherwise when you open it, it'll rip the microphone jack right off the circuit board like that. Alright, so now we can go and press this button right here and play the other message.
The current emergency has now been cleared. Please report back to your work area. The current emergency has now been cleared. Please report back to your work area.
I'm going to turn it off now. So that's basically it. And now I'm going to go ahead and reset the pull station. Now it's reset. I already blew out the smoke detector, so I'm going to go ahead and reset the panel. And while it's resetting, here's just a quick last view of the inside of this thing while it's wired up. Batteries, AC wiring, and I forgot to plug it back into AC power, so that's why it's going back into trouble. And there's the telephone stuff, NACs. So yeah, this is all normal. So I hope you enjoyed the video. There's going to be one more video on my channel about this panel, and that's just going to be packing it up. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.